If reality is programmed, then what is the purpose of Earth? Unlike the sun and the moon, which serve as celestial mechanisms, Earth is where experience happens. It is the sandbox, the classroom, the home for souls seeking to evolve through the trials of existence. The Earth's Schumann resonance may be more than just an electromagnetic phenomenon. It could represent a fundamental frequency embedded with a unique form of coded energy. An unseen signal that potentially interacts with the underlying framework of this programmed reality. At approximately 7.83 Hz, this resonance is more than a simple byproduct of lightning discharges bouncing between the Earth and the ionosphere. It may function as a stabilizing mechanism, a vibrational rhythm that ensures coherence within the system. In the framework of programmatic creation theory, this frequency could be a carrier of encoded information, a fundamental element that synchronizes the biological, energetic, and even cognitive processes of all living beings within this construct. If reality is built upon layers of mathematical precision and frequency-based architecture, then the Schumann resonance might be a kind of regulatory force, an operating frequency that aligns human consciousness, planetary energy, and the programmed substrate of existence itself. What happens when this frequency fluctuates? Are we experiencing mere atmospheric shifts, or could these variations indicate recalibrations within the simulation? When solar storms or cosmic events disrupt this resonance, is it simply a disturbance in the physical field, or does it signal a deeper shift, an update, a rewrite, or even an intentional modification to the program? If all energy carries information, then what hidden code is embedded within the pulse of the Earth, and how does it shape our very perception of reality? If reality is a programmed construct, then its code must be woven into everything, an interconnected system where all parts contain information about the whole. This is the essence of the One, a unified field of consciousness where every fragment mirrors the entirety. In a dyadic reality, nothing exists in isolation. Each element is an expression of a greater intelligence, a fractal manifestation of a grand design. Could this be why quantum entanglement defies conventional physics, allowing information to travel instantaneously across vast distances? Is this evidence of a deeper programmatic order, a hidden structure that underlies reality itself? And if so, what is the source of this programming? What force is projecting this reality into being? The Sun, far more than a fiery mass of plasma, could be the primary processor, the luminous engine rendering our existence in real time. Its photons, packets of encoded energy, illuminate not just the physical world, but the very fabric of our perception. Could it be that the Sun is the cosmic projector, beaming the blueprint of our world into form, sustaining the grand illusion we call reality? If the universe operates on a vast programmatic design, then is our consciousness itself part of the code, interfacing with the system in ways we barely understand? Do we have the ability to tap into this hidden architecture, to perceive the patterns, to manipulate the frequencies, to awaken to the deeper nature of existence? Or are we merely running predetermined scripts, unaware of the deeper mechanics that shape our every thought? If reality is a construct and we are woven into its design, then what is the true purpose of our existence? Are we mere spectators in an elaborate cosmic illusion? Or are we participants in something far more intricate, a grand, deliberate experiment in consciousness? If this world is coded, then who or what determined its parameters? Are we the architects of our own destiny? Or are we simply moving along predetermined pathways, guided by invisible laws we barely comprehend? The sun, the moon, and the sacred geometry that underpins our universe Are these merely the byproducts of natural forces, or do they function as essential components in a vast intelligent system? A system built with intention. A system designed not just to sustain life, but to shape awareness, to refine the soul, to test and challenge our very perception of existence. Could it be that this reality is not a meaningless accident, but a carefully constructed framework, a training ground where consciousness learns, evolves, and ultimately transcends? And if so, then the ultimate question lingers in the void. Who or what wrote the code? And why?